Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to remove the default lock screen password by performing a hard reset on your Samsung A34. Keep in mind that this procedure will erase everything stored in your phone's memory. On some models you need to connect the USB cable to your laptop so it can enter recovery mode, okay? So you can try it both without the cable and with the cable, following this step-by-step guide. And whichever method works for you, leave it in the comments because it will definitely help other people, okay? So let's get started. On this screen, hold down the volume down and power buttons until the device restarts. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. Let's wait here. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode, okay? Let's wait a few more seconds here, it won't take long. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe, leave your thumbs up, your like. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and we'll help you out, okay? Let's wait here. I also want to remind you that this procedure works for some other Samsung models as well, okay? So on this screen, we're going to go down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option where it says IP data factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down again and confirm with the power button as well. Once you reach this screen, we need to wait for all the information here to finish loading so we can continue with the unlocking process. If you need to remove the Google account, we can do this Google account unlock remotely, okay? So I'll leave my WhatsApp number in the video description. And if you need it, you can contact me directly. And if you learn how to do this kind of unlocking, you can make good money as well. It's a great investment you can make for yourself. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the video description. It's the last link which you can access, okay? When you get to this screen, don't change anything, just confirm, all right everyone? And if this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, as long as it doesn't put you out. Our pics will be in the video description. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.